Hello, welcome to the It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off NFC payments in Samsung Galaxy S22. The easiest way to turn off our NFC payments is to swipe from the top again, and in this menu we have our NFC payments enabled. To turn it off, we simply tap this little circle and now it's turned off. Alternatively, we can go to settings. For example, if we can't find NFC payments in that menu, we need to go to settings, connections, and our NFC payments are here. To turn it off, we simply tap this option here, and now our contactless payments are turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.